I used to think my dog had the most comfortable seat in the house, but let me tell you, that is not correct. Look, he's trying to get over on my seat because mine is clearly more comfortable. So I have a collapsible stool right here, which is so crazy. This thing can hold up to 640 pounds, and you can bring this with you on the go. I'm sure you're looking at this and being like, I'm not going to lug this around with me everywhere I go, but check this out. So this right here is a beautiful cushion, so comfortable. If you don't want the cushion, you can sit right on here, but I don't know about you, we all love a good cushion around here. So we're going to grab these right here, and then on the bottom there's another one, and you just kind of pull and twist. And look at that, it is nice and small. And then my beautiful cushion that I just had actually turns into a carrying case. So this goes inside here. It's easier to do, not in the air. And then got a zipper. Then we've got this. And then I can bring this on the go. So maybe you don't need to fight with your dog for a place to sit. Maybe you just don't want to be standing in long lines. Think of all like amusement parks. You can bring this with you. You know, if you're going camping, tailgating, it is so awesome just to have this stool with you to whip out anytime you need it.